Welcome to the garage. I'm Robert, and this is Haslip Cycle Works. So, looking around the shop here, and made some good progress on the Vulcan. Still making some good progress on Project Mini Bike. But I'm kind of waiting for a few things for both of those. So what to do? Got a couple projects off to the side here that we haven't started yet. What do you guys think? Think you're ready for Project Mini Trike? If you remember a few videos back, I introduced Project Mini Trike. It's a DIY weld it yourself mini bike / mini trike frame from our friend Mr. Hammond over at Metal Fab Creations. Of course, all the links will be down in the description below. You guys think it's time to start on that? Yeah, I think so. So what I'm going to do is go over the instructions real quick for myself. This will not be a detailed how-to video, but more of a general overview and to show how quick and easy you can put one of these together at home. So what I'm going to do is flip through the instructions real quick. And if you missed the introduction, definitely go back and check it out. But the instructions that are provided are actually in full color, which you don't really see much anymore. Very nice touch. So I'm going to pull those out and go over them real quick, and then we're going to get started. All right. So like I said, the frame kit is from Metal Fab Creations. It's a mini bike frame kit, but you have the option, because of the way the axle setup is, that you can build it as a mini bike or as a trike. And we will be going with the trike option. And there's some contact info down here and some of the stuff that he offers. If you haven't yet, go check him out. He has also started a YouTube channel, and I will put a link to that in the description as well, where he kind of goes over some of these projects and some of the cool stuff that he's building. And definitely worth the look and the time, and definitely worth giving him a subscription. He's doing some really cool stuff for you guys. He's deserving of some spotlight. So without further ado, let's go over these instructions real quick. He's also got some full color diagrams that spell out exactly the measurements that you need. And full parts diagrams and parts lists, and all the parts are labeled in the kit. They're on the floor over there, but they are labeled and correspond to the labels that are here in the instructions. Again, full color. It even gives you examples of how to measure everything to make sure it's square and flat. All right, doesn't look too bad at all. Let's go ahead and get our first couple of parts together, and I'm going to move you guys. I'm going to kind of put you overhead and behind, and maybe to one side or the other, so that you can get a good view of what we're doing here. think that's going to do it for part 1, guys. We've got our forks all assembled, fitted, and welded, bolted to the neck. Frame is all welded together. The only pieces we're lacking are for our seat mount. And I'm not going to put the seat mount in yet because I'm not sure what we're going to do for a seat on this just yet. But everything is welded up, ready to go. So I think for part 2, we'll make it a roller. So stay tuned for that. That should be happening pretty soon. But again, this is the mini bike / mini trike kit from Mr. Hammond. He's on Instagram. All the links will be down below. Metal Fab Creations. Give him a shout. He also has a YouTube channel. Give him a follow there and a subscribe. And check out what he's doing. He's got some other stuff he's building. Awesome dude. An awesome kit. But that's it for part 1, I believe, guys. So until next time, get up, get out there, and do it.